Hey, it's Dr. Andry here at the Oaks Plastic Surgery. We're going to talk about a couple do's and don'ts after surgery. So one of the big don'ts is don't submerge your incision underwater for 2 to 6 weeks, depending on what kind of surgery you've had done. The reason why is as your incision is starting to heal completely, you can have very small areas that open up. Those very, very small areas, if submerged underwater, can have some of that water come in. Now, even though you think that your tub is very clean, there is a lot of bacteria that lives in the bathroom in the tub area. And so we don't want that bacteria getting in from where your incisions are. We have patients who do this and come back with infections, wound healing complications, all that kind of stuff. So no baths, definitely no pools, no saunas, hot tubs, anything like that, because those are even worse breeding grounds for bacteria, especially since they tend to be warm and dark, which is breeding ground for bacteria. How we want you to shower after surgery is just that, shower. So shower, let soap and water run over, not bar soap because that's also breeding ground for bacteria. Just body wash, hands, wash, let soap and water run over, do not scrub, and then pat everything dry and put your garment back on. No pets in the bed. Just think about it. So you have your pets use the bathroom, don't wipe, then they come into your bed and rub their little booties on your sheets. Your sheets now have booty bacteria, and then you're sleeping in that with fresh wounds. No pets in the bed after surgery. Another don't is do not let your incision see sunlight for about a year after surgery. The biggest thing that can cause your scar to darken is sunlight. So even if you're in a bathing suit, most bathing suits do not have SPF in them. So it's very important to apply SPF to your scars for a year after surgery and make sure that they are fully covered to prevent any hyperpigmentation. So that's some of the don'ts. We have a full checklist that we go through before surgery to remind you of a lot of the don'ts, and that checklist is always evolving because we always have patients who do things that you shouldn't do. But those are some things to remember not to do after surgery that a lot of people accidentally do.